Okay, it's Bruce here, and I have my final project. Go ahead, I got the cover page here, table of contents. So table of contents, and we'll go over these things one at a time. Philosophy and goals of training. Obviously, we always want people to have fun, or else they're not gonna. It's not gonna get done. Always want to build athleticism when we're training. Increase strength and power for this athlete. Build confidence, very important in this case. Number 5 here, one of the big reasons for just about everything I included on here, I want to lay a solid foundation for the future training. Okay, this athlete is a beginner, and so we're starting out. We want to ensure future success. That's what we're looking for. And the athlete profile. Again, stress the fact that we're talking about a complete beginner, okay, as far as lifting goes. Needs analysis is on here. You have the yearly plan right here. The annual training plan, and the 12 weeks that I've chosen is I've highlighted here 31 through 42, and these are 3 back-to-back strength mesocycles. Okay, after I did this, I thought, well, maybe I had to do it again. I would do muscular endurance, hypertrophy, strength, and just to make variety. But in reality, first of all, with this athlete, she swims almost year-round, so she gets a lot of muscular endurance training there. During the swim season, she's swimming twice a day and meets on the weekends. Hypertrophy is not, there's no big need for hypertrophy, but she definitely needs to get stronger and more powerful. So if we were to do 4 weeks of muscular endurance, 4 weeks of hypertrophy, and 4 weeks of strength, I don't think 4 weeks is really long enough to get significant gains in any of them. I like to stack 2 or 3 mesocycles together. And you can see here we got 3 in a row. It's actually going to be followed with a strength power mesocycle after that, and then a power mesocycle. So you got 20 straight weeks. We're going to get some good strength and power gains there. All right, so I got the warm-ups and the cool-downs on a chart, on a page, and I'll show you how those work in when we get to the daily cards. Prehab circuits, same thing. I have prehab ankle, foot prehab, and shoulder prehab circuit. So how that's going to work is here's week 1 training card. I got 12 training cards here. We have warm-up A, warm-up B. The athlete sees this, and I go to the chart and do that. Same thing with these things down here, the cool down, the prehab circuits. Okay. So the way this spreadsheet is set up, there's 12 weeks, and all these, this is a spreadsheet, so all these numbers are generated on this page here. Put the max is in there, and it's going to change. Let's say she's a freak and can bench press 1,000 pounds. Okay, you go to the cards here, and it's got the workout for someone whose max is 1,000 pounds in the bench press. So, I made a ridiculous number, so to make a point, but it changes everything throughout the whole spreadsheet. Okay, let's change that back. All right, so these are. I'm hoping I'm hoping this is pretty self-explanatory. We have heavy day, medium day, light day. I have sprint training on that Wednesday. and hill sprints on Friday. And to go through, those things are progressive as we go through. At the end, I have for reference, I have the mesocycles for first mesocycle, first 4 weeks, second 4 weeks, third 4 weeks. All this information, all these numbers are all built into the cards. So those are basically just for reference. One final thing, not a whole lot of variety as far as the exercises, but I tried to get, you can see it's a beginner. I try to get basic multi-joint exercises or get the most bang for the buck. You know, I am a big believer in less is more, especially when if you do more, it's not going to get done. So to commit an hour and a half, 3 days a week, you know, I think is a lot, again, for someone who's beginning. And big thing is, you know, I want perfect technique. I want things to be learned and done perfectly. And then now just to build a foundation and to move on into the future. So this is obviously a work in progress. I think all workouts are a work in progress. And this is, I think, a great starting point for this athlete. Thanks for listening.